Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be doing some Mejuri unboxing, some stacking. This video is sponsored by Mejuri, which is always an honor. If you guys have been around on my channel for any amount of time, you know that I am Mejuri obsessed. I have been wearing their jewelry for over 4 years now, and truly, if there's any jewelry that I'm wearing that you have a question about, there's like a 99.99% chance that it's from Mejuri. So I'm so excited to be working with them on this video. They actually just released a new pearl letter pendant as well as a letter shop on their website. And so we're gonna be unboxing some of their new pendants, and then also we're gonna be stacking them up. Like all of my videos, if you are interested in any of the pieces that I'm wearing or that I mentioned in this video, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. I also have a 10% off discount that you can find linked in the description box as well. But we are gonna go ahead and get into it. I wanna do an unboxing of the new pearl letter pendant as well as some of the other things that they sent, and then we can get into the fun stacking part. If you guys have been on my channel, like I said, for like the last 4 years, you've probably seen me unbox Mejuri jewelry, but I always like to include this in my Mejuri videos just because in case you are new to the brand and you want to see how stuff is packaged and how it's delivered, I find that it's helpful to just include. So this is how the box arrives with the gold Mejuri tape. You do sign for your package so you can be sure that it will be safe and protected. Inside of the box, you will have your order / gift receipt, and you'll have your pieces packaged like this inside of these dust bags. So this is the dust bag that the boxes will arrive in, and depending on how much you end up ordering, you'll either have 1 or 2 boxes in the dust bag. And this is what the Mejuri box looks like. It has the logo embossed here on the side, and then in the front you have Mejuri. Inside of the box, you get the dust bag. This is what the dust bag looks like, and it's super soft. It has the logo on it. And then underneath it, we've got the new pieces. So this is the new pearl letter pendant, and it is a 14 karat gold setting with freshwater pearls. And it's a little bit bigger than my diamond letter pendant. So I'll go ahead and show you the diamond letter pendant next to this one. It's slightly bigger, but I feel like this is so pretty. So this is the diamond letter pendant next to the new pearl pendant. You can see that the new pearl pendant is a little bit big, but it's still that same classic signature Mejuri font. And what's really beautiful about the diamond letter pendant is that it has these gold prongs that hold each pearl in place. So it's super delicate, really dainty, and I love the look of pearls. Next up is one of Mejuri's 14 karat gold chains. This is the spheres chain, and you can see the tiny spheres on it. I got it in the 16-18 inch length, and this is great because it's 14 karat gold. You can wear it in the shower. You don't necessarily have to take it off to work out. I'm honestly pretty lazy with my jewelry, so I've said this before in my other Mejuri videos, but the 14 karat gold pieces are truly lifesavers for me because I'm so lazy with taking off jewelry. I work out in it, I shower in it, and this chain is a little bit more on the dainty side, but it's perfect for putting the different letter pendants on it. So I'll show you guys what this looks like with the pendants in a second. Next up are a couple other letter pendants. So this is the diamond letter pendant in the letter C. I have this in the letter J and the letter W. C is obviously for Chloe. I have the J for Jason, and then the W is for my last name. And then this is the cursive pendant, and this one is in 14 karat gold as well. So this one's 14 karat gold and diamonds, and then this is 14 karat gold. And all of these you can find on Mejuri's new letter shop that just launched. There's a collection page on their website that should have all of the different letter pendants. That way, if you are wanting to mix and match, maybe you want one cursive letter, one diamond letter, one pearl letter, you can find them all in one place. And I love the idea of having a letter pendant either for your bracelet or for your necklace. It's just a really meaningful, significant piece to have. I have the letter W in the diamond letter pendant that I always keep on my chain charm necklace, and I love that because it represents our last name. But you could get one obviously for your significant other, for any life event that happens, and then also you can just get one for yourself. Like I got the letter C in the diamond letter pendant. You can really mix and match them, add them together, wear them separately. but they're definitely a sentimental piece if you want to get one for like your kids or your significant other. I feel like it's a really memorable piece to have. Next dust bag here, we have got some earrings, and these ones are so cool. The second that they released these, I knew I wanted to add them to my collection because they're so unique and just such a statement. So these are the figure large hoops, and these ones are in 14 karat gold with a tiny diamond, and they also have something that's pretty similar in their vermeil if you want a lower price point. Obviously, I'm a big fan of their 14 karat gold. They just stand the test of time, but these are so cool. So you can see that they are a little bit of an odd shape, but that's what I love about them. They are funky and organic, and they're just so different than anything that I have. They're really beautiful. Last box here, we have got a new ring and then also another chain necklace for the pendants. So this is the Diamond Line Signet Pinky Ring, and I actually really like their pinky rings for my other fingers, so you do not have to get this for your pinky. But it's 14 karat gold with the diamond line down the middle. And I am obsessed with their signet rings. I have a couple of them now, and they're just so beautiful. Like I said, their 14 karat gold is truly stunning, and I feel like they look so good by themselves. You don't need to stack them, although you technically could, but I just feel like they are a statement all on their own. And then the last piece is another chain necklace. This one is actually a little bit thicker than the Spheres necklace. This is the square oval chain necklace in 14 karat gold. I got it in the 16 to 18 inches. I love this style of chain. I feel like it's the perfect boldness. It is dainty, but still really substantial. I really love this. The square oval chain links are really modern, and I feel like it's gonna look so good with those letter pendants. Now for the fun part, the stacking. And really quick, before I get into styling up the new pendants, I want to show you guys just the stuff that I have on really quick in case you are curious. This is the Rolo chain charm necklace, and on it I have a pearl charm, a bell tag charm, and then I had the diamond letter pendant in W on it. If you guys have watched any of my past Mejuri videos, this stack rarely changes, although I think I want to add the pearl letter pendant charm onto it. What I love about this necklace is that it has a hinge here on this clasp, and you can add on charms by yourself without needing help. And you can also take it on and off without needing help as well. But this is what the pearl letter pendant looks like on it. You could also take off this charm and just do this. I like the rule of three, but also you could wear it completely by itself, and I think that would be really beautiful because it is a little bit of a bigger charm. It's just a little bit more of a statement, and I love the size of it. I honestly wish that Mejuri had a diamond letter pendant that was also this size, something just like a little bit bigger for your necklaces, but I also am like a jewelry maximalist, so I know that that could just be me. The other necklace that I have on is the serpentine chain necklace, and I'm gonna have the links that I'm wearing down below in the description box because honestly, I cannot remember every single length of chain or necklace, so I will have that down below in the description box if you're curious. For my earring stack, like I said, I've been so into pearls lately. These are the bold pearl ear jacket studs, and I love these because they actually have a drop down behind the ear, but they're just so cool. I think they're so unique. And then these are the plush hoops in 14 karat gold. I have not taken these out since I got them. I'm obsessed with them. They are perfectly bold and they're 14 karat gold, so they are super high quality. And then these are the pave bold hoops, and I love these. If you guys have been on my channel for the last 3 years, I do not think that these have basically come out of my ear. Like, I move it around between the second and the third piercing, but they are always on. These are some of my favorites. For my rings, I went ahead and put back on my original rings, took the signet ring off just so I could show you guys. This is the Emerald Eternity Band in diamond, and then this is a pearl ring, and I love it by itself, but I also love to stack it, obviously. Like I said, I'm obsessed with pearls, so the fact that they came out with a letter pendant in a pearl version is so timely for me because I've been wearing pearls so much this summer. This is the duo ring. I've worn this 100,000 times. This is the dot ring, which has quickly become one of my favorites. And then this is the classic dome ring in 14 karat gold. And then for my bracelets, because bracelets are a pain to get on and off, they hardly ever change, I have on the chain charm bracelet here, and then this is the Rolo chain charm bracelet, and then this is the diamond line bracelet, diamond bar bracelet. I seriously always get the name of this wrong. I don't know how many times I've said this wrong, but I'll have it linked down below in the description box. And then I have on the emerald charm and the star pave charm, and then this is the serpentine bracelet. And I love all of my jewelry. Like I said, I'm a maximalist. Honestly, I am so obsessed with this stack right here, but for fun, we're just gonna switch it up a little bit. And it's very rare I take off the Rolo chain charm necklace. It's one of my favorites, but I want to show you guys the different chains that I got and how to style up the new pearl letter pendant. I'm gonna do the square oval chain, and this one is so lightweight. Like I said, I love the boldness of this. I am a fan of dainty jewelry, but lately I have really just been all about maximizing my jewelry. But I do love how this chain is kind of that middle ground. This is a 16 to 18 inch chain, so it has different clasp settings on it. So this is on the shortest setting, which is the same length as the serpentine chain necklace. So if you wanted to just wear it by itself, pretend this one is gone, it would hit around there with the 16 to 18 inch. So this is 16 inches. I love mixing different chains. So you have the serpentine chain, which is really smooth and super reflective. And then you have the square oval chain, which is almost a little bit more sparkly and just has really good texture. So this is a really pretty look by itself, just the single letter pendant. Again, because it's that medium-sized pendant, I feel like it looks really good by itself. And then I kind of want to wear the J, is that right? It's so hard to know if this is backwards. The J letter pendant on my bracelet. So I'm gonna clip it into my chain charm bracelet. I feel like the rule of 3 is always really nice, but I probably want to do more than 3. There is the cursive letter pendant with the emerald charm and the star charm. I love the charms. I feel like that is one of the best lines that Mejuri has come out with because they look so good by themselves, but you can totally layer them up and make your stacks feel really customized and just very much your style. So it's super unique. I get questions all the time about my bracelets and then also my charm necklaces because they do feel so unique. People are like, oh, where'd you get that? And I love saying that I completely customize the stack. So if you guys are looking to make your jewelry feel a little bit more unique, I would definitely check out the letter shop and the different charms that Mejuri has. I really want to try on these earrings, so I think I might need to remove the plush hoops as well as the pearl earrings. So this is what the pearl jacket earring looks like. Let's see if we can get this on without removing the plush hoop. I kind of feel like I'm just gonna have to remove the plush hoop. Yeah, it's a little bit squished. So we'll take out the plush hoop here and wear it. That's honestly really pretty. If you have a single piercing, these are a showstopper. What I might do too is put a stud in there. Let's just try the emerald baguette stud. And if this isn't the vibe, we can change it to something else. I'm gonna try one more stud here and see if that looks better. These are some of my favorite. They're like a pave circle stud, and I don't wear studs a ton, honestly, but for moments like this, I'm really glad that I have a pair of studs because I feel like sometimes with bigger earrings, oh, that's so cool. Wait, I love that. So this is the Diamonds Station necklace, and I feel like this is a really beautiful stack as well. You have the really, really dainty chain with the tiny diamonds, and then mixing it with a little bit of a bolder chain and the pearl pendant. This is such a beautiful look. And then this is another stack that I feel like is really beautiful. We have the emerald bar necklace and then the pearl letter pendant. And again, I love the mix of a really dainty chain with something that is a little bit of a bolder piece. And then you do have a fun mix of pearls with a different gemstone. I love mixing pearls with diamonds, pearls with other gemstones. I feel like it just gives your stack a lot of interest. So this is the diamond letter pendant in the C with the spheres chain. And if you like a really dainty set, this would be such a beautiful stack. You could also again remove this and wear this by itself. This is really elegant, and if you love a very kind of out of the way, subtle yet really beautiful necklace, this would be so pretty by itself. Another really pretty stack I feel like would be layering up a diamond letter pendant with the cursive letter pendant. So I have the cursive J with the diamond C, and then the last kind of combo that I think would be really cool is to do one on each bracelet. So if you have two of the charm bracelets like I do, you can do one for C and then one for J, and then you can have both of them just on their own bracelets. But those are the different ways that I would stack the new pearl letter pendant and then the other letter charms. Like I said, be sure to check out Mejuri's new letter shop on their website, and also check out the new pearl letter charms. These are some of my favorite charms that have come out recently. I love the size of them, and I think they are so pretty by themselves. Like I said, if there's anything that you were interested in from this video, I'll have it all linked down below in the description box, as well as the different links in the chains and in the bracelets. I know that can be a little bit confusing, but be sure to use my discount if you want to save 10% off of your Mejuri order. And don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment down below, let me know if you end up grabbing the new pearl letter charm, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I would love to have you back on my channel. I do a lot of Mejuri videos, a lot of jewelry stacking videos, so be sure to stick around, and I'll see you guys in my next one really soon. Bye guys.